So hello everyone, and I'm Gurpreet. Let's start this video, and first of all let's talk about the topic without taking so much of time. In this video I'll be teaching you, and I'll be telling you like how you can just how you can convert an HTML design or template to Laravel to the live coding, not a already built code. Okay, and in live coding we will facing the errors together and we'll fix together, okay, and learn together. So let's start this video without taking so much time, and just move on the VS Code and see how we can do that. So first of all, let me just clear the console and just install the project. So first of all I'll do composer global require Laravel and Laravel. I think I'm not sure about this command, so see if it works. So it's installing the composer. Okay, so let's in this time let's talk about the this video and this whole playlist. So this is the first video of this playlist called food delivery food online food ordering website. I'll be building this food ordering website from the scratch, and if you want to practice the Laravel by using this playlist, we can do code together and we can learn together by using this. I'll also be doing code live in this video, and in next videos, and by doing that we all can see and fix those errors together, and I'll be fixing those errors live in front of you if we will have in the project. Okay, so and that's all. So now composer installed, and now let's install the Laravel new. The name will be food champ. Let me just create a GitHub repository for this, and the repository will be public, and let me just see if it works. Yeah, so now it's installing. Oh, is it application already exist? What it is there any? Okay, so let me just change the name foodie. Okay, so now it's installing the Laravel project foodie, and in this whole project we will learn all about like ordering food online, and we will be covering the CRUD system and admin panel, role and permission. Maybe a lot of things we will cover in this project. So now our Laravel app is going to install. Just wait. I think, oh shit, where we are installing. Oh my god, we are installing in this okay, I have to copy the also. This is the project we have here, and this is here also. Oh, this is very wrong. I did that wrong, and let me just cut it from, I think it's installed. So okay, so let me just cut it from here and just paste it here. Okay, so now first of all just change the location to foodie, है ना, एंड अभी देखते हैं कि ये चल रहा है नहीं, अब चल तो ही रहा होगा, जस्ट पेचुएटिसन सर्व करके देख लेते हैं। तो भाई साहब दिस इज हियर, लेट्स सी, काम तो ये कर ही रहा होगा। ओके, सो now just the this is again digit head. So okay, so just move on the foodie. So without taking so much time, let's do the main thing that we want to do, and just delete it from here because this is not what we want to start. Okay, so this is the template which I have downloaded from the internet, and just want to implement the whole template into Laravel. Okay, so first of all we have these 4 folders in which we have extra like styles, images, JS and fonts, and I just want to copy it from here and just paste into our foodie application, and just create a pub and create a folder like front end stuff, maybe not stuff, just front end. So this is front end folder here, and just paste it here. So all those things are here in front end, and this is our public folder. I've stored that stuff like CSS, fonts, images, all the things. Okay, so now we have to copy this from here, and just go to resources and views and create a folder by the name of front and B लगा सकते हो front end. Okay, so in here we can paste all the files, and just change the name dot blade, and okay, sorry, I forgot to add the PHP at the end. Okay, so here we have dot blade dot PHP index. Other than using index, I'll use home dot blade dot PHP, and then menu dot blade dot PHP. Okay, so after doing that, we have to do other things like what we have to do. We have some common parts in HTML like head ho gaya. Okay, and then we have like in body we have this hero area maybe. So this we have some common tags that we can replace, like we have scripts, same in each file, like each files like these like this. Okay, and the scripts also are here. So and the footer same in each file. So what we want to do is we just want to create a layout. No, okay, we just want to create layout because we want to use this code as in very proper way. Okay, so first of all let's go into a view and create a folder by the name of layout. Okay, and in layout folder we'll create a file app.blade.php, and then in layout we will create includes. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, in layout we will create front in so just use includes front includes. Okay, front includes maybe this and like this. Okay, front includes front end includes front end, it's okay. So just in this we'll use head.blade.php, and then we'll create a new file header.blade.php, and then we'll create another file footer.php, blade.php, and other thing that can be common. Okay, footer हो गया, header हो गया, head हो गया. So these are the things that will be common. Okay, so now just go to menu and just copy the head code and paste into head. Okay, so now it's okay. So the name will be foodie. Okay, foodie. Okay, so here we have this head file, and then what we have to do is we have this head file and header file is here, and then what we have to do is we will have this footer here. Just copy the footer and paste here. Okay, and in header we have to find which is the header. So header should be same as, I think, header construction container. Okay, and scene menu, so the header is here is a bit different. Header, this is same, but this stuff is kind of different. So can I use it? So the header is here, and if I'll use it, like the hero section will be there, and yes, I can push on this section if I want, but this is not, this is subpage here, in body subpage here, hero area, and pg box here in about. This is okay, but in let me just check in book. We have basic box here, and this has it here. Okay, so just make it like this. In header we can pass this one. Okay, but in home we might not have this. Okay, but the same is. So what you can do is we can just try to pass this whole div in header. Okay, and then we will fix if it will not work. Okay, so we have all the parts in our front includes, and now we have, you know, home.blade.php here, in which is our main page. Okay, here. So just in here what you can do is, what we can do is you know, just what is it? It is not taking extension. Doc type. My extension is not working. It's okay, no problem. So just copy and do this body to sit. Okay, so in body what do we do? Yield. I will use yield. So we use yield to get content. Okay, I'll explain it later. Let me just use it first. Okay, in here we will use content, and after that we will use at the rate, you know, we include. Okay, so in include, what you'll do is in this is into layout, and in front includes dot head. Okay, so here you will get the head, and after that we have the content, and this content will come from, you know, from these pages. I'll explain it better. And now we will yield all the scripts here. We will use scripts. Okay, so these are the things that we have to use. So okay, so now we have menu here first of all. So here what we have to do is we have to extend the app which we are using into layout. That means this layout is extended now in app. Okay, and what we will pass from our this page, that will directly go into this page. Okay, so let me just show you how. So this is kind of header section. We have passed in header. Okay, so in body, how we can do that? Okay, so let me just do that. Include header here, which is into layout dot front includes dot header. Okay, so this is it. And now in body we have to pass the section. So this is the section that we have created. Let me just create it first and I'll explain later. So the section is content, that the same thing, the same name I have passed in here, as you can see. So what does it mean? It means we are getting the content of this body from this menu which we have extended in app. I hope you will get it. So this is the content. Okay, so now what content do we have? So okay, so let me just explain you. We have this content here, this content. Okay, and rather than using this, we will include footer here, layouts dot front includes dot footer. Okay, and after that in menu what we have is, okay, so in menu we have scripts here. Okay, for scripts we can also use section, but we will not use section because for scripts we have another another directive to use, which is push. And in push we will push scripts, and in scripts we will pass these all scripts. Okay, so in body we don't need to use this. Okay, so this is how we can do that. And let me just show you is it working or not. And first of all, go to routes. Okay, and go to web, and in web what you can do is we have to use menu here. Okay, just menu, and just run the php certisan command, and then see is it working or not. So we directly land to menu not found. That means we are into front folder. So I have to pass, okay, sorry, we have to pass front dot menu. In view we have to pass view name, data, and all those things. Okay, so view name will be front end and menu. So the view name is front end menu under front end directory. So let me just try it again. Includes head not found. Okay, so now go to here and layout footer. Okay, and the same thing is here. Yeah. Okay, so have you got it? So you maybe don't know why it is not working. So let me just show you why it's not working. So we have a head here, and let me just, why it's not opening. So okay, so let's go into head, and here we have CSS. So for these CSS files we have pasted in our public folder. So, but we don't but we didn't give the path to these CSS files as we should give. Okay, so but now for giving the path to direct to redirect this path to public folder, we have to give a certain path to this href, which will be public path. So this is the function that you can use to give a direct path to public folder. Okay, so this is the public path, and in here maybe you have, so in public path is not showing. So in public path this will directly go to the public folder and front end slash css. Okay, front end slash css. So now it will look like this, and in the same thing we'll do this, we'll do here, and here we'll pass front end slash and public path here, and the same thing we'll do here, which will be like this. Public path, and sorry, I did wrong here. We have to use asset for that to redirect to the public folder. Okay, I was doing like I messed up again. So now we have to transfer it the same way and just use asset here to redirect this path to public folder. So now all set, and let's see. So something is not working well, so just check what is not working. So some images is not loading, and the before bootstrap CSS is not working. So the bootstrap CSS, let's see, asset. Okay, so this is front end, will be front end, and the same go here. Okay, so let's see, and it will work fine now, as I know. So the images are not working because for images we have to do the same thing, and let me just show you. So for each images to show, we have to do the same thing, because images are saved into public folder, and in public folder in under front end, and then images. Okay, so now we have to pass do the same thing for images. Okay, we have something different here. Let me just try it again. So this is the image we have, and let's go here, and for this we have to change like this, and asset here, and then we don't have to do anything. Okay, let's refresh it. So these are the images which we haven't passed. Okay, so this should not be Okay, now just pass asset here and don't forget to add front end. Now it will work well. So now as you can see we have images here. Okay, I've just loaded the menu page and the order button is here. I don't know why. Let me just fix it. So the image is not showing, this image is not working. So for that I have to do one thing, which is I have to go to header. Okay, and in header I have something in header front end. Okay, so in here where I was, so in header. Okay, so in header just pass food d here, food and okay, and then just, so here might be some images that I have to replace with the asset. Sorry, not replace, just I have to okay, so this is the only image here. Asset and add front end here so that it can directly reach to public folder. So now it's working. So now it's looking very nice, and just underestimate this active here because I have directly opened it to the menu page. So other pages you have to complete on your own, and that will help you to get better at implementing the design into Laravel. Okay, and this is the design of this website, and we will be making it dynamic in next video. Okay, and we'll be fixing some routes and doing some other stuff like cart and these all things in future videos. So, and bye bye for now. And if you do like these kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel, and you can also press the notification bell icon so that you can get new video notification at the time.